Uganda, 1 out of 3 of the hand pumps, for example, they break down. There's neglect, people suffer without water, people can even stay for years or for weeks, for months without water. Tap and Track app is a water system asset management tool that has been developed by Practica. Practica is a technical advisory organization who has developed the Tap and Track app, and currently it is being implemented by GOAL in the whole of Uganda. And the caretakers, the hand pump mechanics and the plumbers, these are people who are directly involved in the water system management. So the Tap and Track app helps them to record also those data such that they can monitor how their systems are functioning and how they can respond to maintenance.
It is going to help us in giving customer feedback in time, reducing on the response rate, since we are going to be having different categories of people entering different information. So the response rate of responding the questions or the queries or the complaints, it will be reduced compared when we are not using the app.
Today we are conducting a training on organization in partnership with the Practica Foundation with support from Enabel, and this training is focusing on a user-centered design workshop on how the application is going to be used, but also getting feedback from the people who are going to use this, who are going to interface with this application.
When you look at its features or key components, it targets the cash book, there's maintenance, and there's service delivery. So all these key components, they help to capture the data and how the data is being used, how the data is going to inform decision making, and how the data is going to inform the responses.
Tap and Track app helps me to maintain my sales. So this is my client. She has come to collect water and she has to pay some money. In case of any challenge as a PSP, I'm able to easily communicate to the manager, to the plumber.
As a plumber, if I've gone in the field, I've found some breakdown or a leakage. The moment I fill in the information, after me submitting or sending, it will automatically go, and it will help me, it will help in the process that my boss or my manager will be aware of what is happening on the ground.
After reporting, it notifies you that such and such item need to be repaired. So it reminds you such that you do the needful for the functionality of the water source.